Let's make cherry radish. 3 sticks are twisted together in the middle. 2 of them are combined. Then wrap the toilet paper around it. This way, the radish can save the sticks. The remaining 4 sticks are used to fix the toilet paper. Tighten, just like a stick. Twist the rest. Just leave one. After the radish is pressed, put the leaves. Put on the hot glue and you can start to wrap around. Make it a big fat. Tidy up to make it more round. Cut the root of the radish into small pieces. I found that it was better to burn it. The green stick is folded in the middle. Fold the right side. Fold the left side. Tighten, fold another stick. Pass through these 2 circles separately. Tighten and fix. Flat. The stick on the right passes through the hole on the left. Pay attention to the back. Tighten. The hole on the left passes through the hole on the right. All have to be tightened. One side until the leaves are full. Twist the leaves again. Don't be so straight. Make 3 pieces and stick them with hot glue. Sweep some blush to make a gradient. Finally, add big eyes. Complete.